I made a custom 4.5 volts Thomas. What I did is we no longer have the remote. Most of these remotes no longer work. It takes too much time, way too much time to fix and repair. And talking about too much time, I have a lot of engines that I no longer have the time to fix. But what I'm going to do is I'm putting it in bunches. This one's a little bit faster, but it's different since it does not require the remote anymore. We can use same battery. It's a little bit faster than the normal Thomas. Now, over the years I try so many ways to save you guys some on the some bucks, and I try like a send direct or direct invoice. Some customers, they save a lot. It worked. It was good. It's working. So what I'm trying to say is I need to find a way where we can skip this eBay fees, selling fees. I'm trying to save you guys, and instead of paying those high selling fees, I wanted to find a way where you can save. I put a battery cover, 3D printed battery cover for this Hank. I think you saw over the past couple months. I put some of these because I think I found like a 4 or so, and I sold them. So Hank is good. As I was saying, over the years, I tried to save you guys, a little bit of few bucks instead of paying a lot. For example, this one, I think I have it for, let me double check. There is one for 80 bucks. I have this for 50. You save 30 bucks if you want it. These two guys, I think they're selling for 70. I think I have them for 50. Let me check. Okay. Yeah, I think they have them for 74 bucks. I have for 54 bucks. That's 20 bucks less, and I include this cargo. I know this is not the right ones you wanted, but I put color, milk churns, 3D printed barrels, oil barrels. So I don't know. I opened I think I opened a web page, and I put it for 2 years. There was not a lot of customers, just few customers. Few of you saved a lot. Few people. This one is Tomy, 1999. Blah blah blah. Ben. Save a lot, but there were just few customers. Now I need to find a way where we can skip, and so you guys can save. Instead of paying high selling fees, eBay has a lot of fees. That's the reason, and I said it before, that's the reason so many products on eBay are expensive. The Trackmaster line, these are getting out of control. The prices are high. I'm talking about talk about these old Trackmaster models. And it's not because the seller wants to put the, well, there are few sellers that they want to charge you a lot. They want to take advantage of the situation. I try to save because I try to keep the prices low, but people, these sellers on eBay, they try to get the most out of it. But even if I put them for low price, I don't understand why people don't seem to, they see people. I think most of the customers think that because it's expensive, it's better. It's like buying an iPhone. I know some of you are gonna get mad because iPhone is a brand, but this one is working. People rather buy expensive phones instead of buying a regular price phone. But all regular price phones, some of those phones have even better quality. This one is not working. I'm checking this so I can put them for. It's working. So people think because it's expensive, it's better. But like I say, don't take me wrong, but there are other phones that are better than iPhone. This stuff is working good. Yeah, I'm putting for sale. I'm trying to put this for sale. I have a lot. I'm trying to see. I did a little test. I test like I put them like non-working engines for sale. Those I put them for $9, I think, but they were only shells. I describe in the title, junk. Nothing was working. Only corrosion, corroded parts, and blah blah blah. So I put it for $9. I think there were a lot of parts in there, but I no longer have the time to do that. So I had to find an extension. Anyways, so and the main idea is trying to keep low prices, and I think the only way is beautiful. I think this one is well, anyways. See, if we send an invoice, we can skip those high selling cost, selling fees on. Did I open this one already or no? Selling fees from eBay, and there will be less people interested unless you send me a direct message here on YouTube. This one sounds good. But like I say, I need to find a way so we can. I can send you guys an invoice. Now these ones are for $7. Let me see. $8.99. Others have it. This one needs to be clean. Others have it for $10 or $11. I have this for $8.99. And to be honest with you guys, $8.99. You buy the shipping. You buy the you pay the boxes, padding, and everything, plus the product at the end. This is the reason sellers on eBay. I do fix this for for fun. I like to be entertained and fix and repair. These sellers on eBay, they trying to make obviously a living, and this is the reason the prices are high. but I wish to save you guys more. I no longer gonna put the website was very slow. I couldn't have the time to you know what, talking about this, I found some of these resin casting tops. I did not like it. Some little details here and there, but there's a smooth finish. Um, I don't know if someone's interested on these ones. Definitely will not work. You need to figure out if you want it. I can put them for sale on eBay. You can make your own. I do not have the chassis, but to be honest with you, let me see. Someone might find useful. This one just need to be painted over. Fill in some, remove these little. This is very thin layer. See that? Very thin layer. I don't have the time to fix this. I could have. I'd rather want to continue making videos or making something else, but I no longer have the time. I don't know if I'm going to put this for sale. Maybe someone find it useful. Just glue it a little bit here, and then you might make your own. I'm 3D printing now, so I'm trying to 3D print resin 3D printing. Now I have a lot of printers, but those are, by layer printers. They print with layers. So you still see the lines. See this little box? It's not cleaned yet. I just printed them. You need to do a little cleaning, glue these leaves, and we have these boxes. And maybe we're gonna try to print with resin. Now the problem with the resin or any 3D printer is each of these things might take from 2. Well, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about these things, the engines or wagons. Sometimes they take 2 to 3 hours to make, and then you need to do the base. At the end, you spend the machine needs like 5 hours to make one of these. But I have 10 3D printers. So I have 10 3D printers, and we can make one of these every 2 hours. No, actually, let me see. You need to divide 10 3D printers between 5. I think you can make 5 of these in 10 hours. I mean, in 2 or 3 hours, 5 of these. But you need a lot of printers. Well, that's the idea. Now, resin, I do not have resin 3D printers. I wish to have them. I'm going to figure out if I can have resin 3D printers. You have smooth edges and not the lines. See the lines right there? There are a lot of lines. Well, anyways, let's go back to the thing. If you are interested, let me know. So, here's what we can try. If you are interested, let me know, because it's taking too much time to list this. Take the pictures. Maybe I'm just gonna show you guys a video of the product, and then if you want it, send me a message with your email, and I send you the invoice. Obviously, less than an eBay. Well, if you want, just check the eBay, check the price on eBay. If this one costs you $12 or $10, I reduce the price for 2 or 3, so you don't have to pay a lot of selling fees. $2 or $3. Like I say, this one right here, and I'm not making this up, it costs $80. If you search, by the time I'm posting this, that's $80 for one of these. I have it for $50. You save $30. I always been saying this a lot of time. If you want it, I can sell it to you very cheap, reduced, discounted price, affordable. Maybe I'm gonna start making videos, individual videos, but you need to, let me know if you want it, and if you want it, you need to send me your email so I can send you an invoice. Now, this do not apply to overseas. Unfortunately, overseas, the other day someone told me about, yeah, someone left a comment about one of these 3D printed things, you know, that is very cheap for him to acquire. But the problem is, he should pay. I think this guy's from Australia. He will pay $55 just to ship one of these to Australia. That's the reason I don't want to send any of these products overseas. If you want to buy it, but I mean, you have the option. You can get it on eBay. But if for the rest of the products, if you guys are interested, let me know over the next couple of days. For the next few days, I will be posting. Look at this one. I think I sent one of these. I have this ready too. So okay, that's the idea. I'm trying to find a way so we can save. I mean, you guys can save a lot. Um, I'll see if we can post these videos for each product, and then if you're interested, send me a message with your email, and then we figure out the way to. I don't know how this thing works, but I mean, I can send you a PayPal invoice, and then we go from there.